Across the globe, the urgency for us all to address sustainability challenges is accelerating. As a result, environmental, social and governance goals are now critical indicators for businesses of all sizes who need to proactively integrate sustainability targets into their planning and forecasting processes to deliver their goals and to remain competitive. But many companies still rely on outdated methods to collate, report and plan their ESG data, resulting in time-consuming, error-prone processes that can't cope with the increasing needs. That's where Workday Adaptive Planning comes in. With all your sustainability planning data in one central cloud platform, you can track and analyze emissions KPIs when you need them, not just for the annual report. Using a dashboard like this example showing scope 1, 2 and 3 data by asset type and fuel type, stakeholders can filter and analyze the data and compare different scenarios in real time. It's self-service and really easy to use. For example, being able to drill into a chart for more detailed information. All the data and calculations are fully connected. For example, here with underlying CO2 equivalent conversion rates, every time you load new emissions data or make a change to the plan, Workday calculates every connected value automatically. There's no need to run any processes or have to remember to refresh spreadsheets. Emissions is only one example, of course, and Workday can integrate with multiple data sources, including spreadsheets, to bring all your KPIs into one place. For example, here's safety and equality ratings from an in-house database. Other examples could be employee sentiment or anti-bribery training statistics from a risk management spreadsheet. You can then analyze, plan and report across all these measures in the one central platform and produce operational reports such as this one that users can refresh for themselves for any time period or any level of the business as soon as you're ready for them to see it. When it comes to managing your strategic net zero initiatives, Workday Adaptive Planning provides a secure, central platform for your investment plans. Multiple stakeholders can collaborate from wherever they are to update the plan. Here in this example, projects are analysed by a strategic pillar category, by each of the greenhouse gas protocol scope categories, and by a difficulty rating. Planning templates, naming conventions, and columns can all be configured to suit your needs. Benefits are being tracked and converted to CO2 equivalent savings, plus financial investment impact and workflow approvals. When things change, such as deciding to bring forward this machine replacement project or to approve this investment portfolio change, the resulting CO2 savings and the financial impact are automatically updated to provide a fully connected business-wide plan. There's no need to update a series of linked spreadsheets, import or move or copy any data. Changes are easy to make with financial intelligence built in, such as being able to update this annual investment value, and Workday can automatically phase back across the underlying months by selecting the required option. Again, just hit save to see this reflected across the whole company-wide plan. Where this is benefiting so many of our customers is it means you can bring investment decisions directly to the business with all the information in one place. So here let's assume we can accelerate the transition program by delivering all of our approved initiatives. Immediately you can see the result against targets, so with Workday you can empower your business to make informed decisions, balancing financial constraints against net zero target deliverables to get the optimum result. And all of this in real time without having to go anywhere near a spreadsheet. Here's an example of how Workday can fully embed sustainability targeting into your overall planning cycle. In this template, we're sourcing materials from various suppliers and comparing not just the cost, but how the CO2 footprint of suppliers contributes to the Scope 3 emissions target. Here you can load in supplier ratings and carbon footprint data to assist with forecasting, so you can make a fully informed decision. Back in the sourcing template, let's adjust plans to source this category from a supplier with a better emissions rating. As you can see from the waterfall, this may not be the cheapest option, but it's the optimum balance across both targets. So with Workday Adaptive Planning, you can model, adjust and compare in real time across sustainability targets, financial budgets and any other measures required to deliver the optimum plan for the business and stakeholders. Finally, when the plan is ready to share, you can use Office Connect to create high-quality, formatted reports in Excel, updated with a single click, with no formulas and no coding. All the data is linked to Workday in the cloud, And that means when your numbers change, the entire reporting suite changes with no manual rekeying or rebuilding. So in this example, I simply roll over my report for the next month end, click OK and hit refresh. Office Connect will refresh the data directly from Workday in the cloud, and we're good to go. Similarly, within PowerPoint, in a board pack such as this, tables, charts and KPIs can all be linked to Workday and refreshed with a single click, taking significant amounts of time out of this type of pack production. And finally, in Word, Workday Adaptive Planning can support more formal reporting and external stakeholder output. Again, all the data is linked to Workday with KPIs, data tables, values, embedded narrative and dates, all able to be refreshed with a single click, providing consistency and saving you time. So there's just a few examples of how Workday is helping our customers solve their sustainability planning challenges. To find out more, please get in touch. And thanks for watching.